Hi, I'm Kris Chambers, Digital Retailing Manager with LaFontaine Automotive Group. When making a vehicle purchase or lease decision, the question we all want answered sooner rather than later, what's my monthly payment going to be? So what determines your monthly payment? Well, first, it's all about vehicle selection and price. Next comes your personal financing options and the current manufacturer rebates. And lastly, deciding how much money, if any, you want to put down. With the power of LaFontaine Digital Retailing, you're just a few clicks away from finding the car of your dreams at a payment you can afford. Let me show you how it's done. Here we are at the LaFontaine Honda website. Once you've selected a vehicle from our inventory, simply click on Personalize your payment. Our payment calculator works in real time to calculate your payment. You can choose from lease, finance, or even pay cash. Once you select the term that best fits, update your down payment. You could even play with the term to see which one has the best payment. Choose your credit score range, miles per year you plan to drive. If you have a trade, no problem. Simply click here. Our online tool will give you a valuation in minutes. Make sure you have your address inside so we can calculate any incentives or rebates. Also, your taxes are based on that. If there's any other special rebates or incentives, click here. If you ever have any questions about eligibility and what you qualify for, click on eligibility and it'll go over the program rules. Next, you can see the full details of the summary. All your selections are located here. If all terms are agreeable, you may be asking what's next. You can click here, apply for financing, and receive an approval in minutes. Or you can go ahead and save and print your deal, come into our store, take a test drive. It's just that simple. Whether you shop with LaFontaine in person or online, we strive to personalize your automotive retail experience. If you have any questions, please visit our digital retailing FAQ page or email us at feedback@lafontaine.com. And thanks for watching.